So Young Life is a super relational ministry. It's very much about going where young people are and just building bridges of authentic friendship with them and genuine relationships with them.
There's a lot of pressure that comes with being a young person in this day and age.
Their image, their self-worth, whether they're accepted, whether they're not accepted, what people think, you know, the list goes on.
To be all the things that social media tells them they need to be in the midst of a messy and broken world.
Young people want to be known, they want to be seen, they want to be heard.
There isn't really time to wait or waste. These young people need to hear about Jesus, and we're called to go and do that.
We believe every young person in London deserves the opportunity to hear about Jesus in ways and words they understand from someone they know and trust.
Earning the right to be able to speak to them and speak into the life. And once that relationship is built, we would invite them to clubs, sport clubs, we do those, but we offer opportunities for just fun youth clubs where we play games, crazy dancing, songs.
Camp is a huge part of what we do as Young Life, where as many kids as possible get the opportunity to come and have those really great experiences. We will do a presentation of the gospel where we talk about Jesus.
Because there are kids that they're unchurched, they've never been to church, they don't know anyone who is actually a Christian in their life. For them to actually hear for the first time.
The goal is that then they come to know Jesus and we will walk alongside them and disciple them and grow them into leaders themselves who want to go out and share Jesus with their friends.
Whether or not a young person decides to believe in Jesus or not, we still love them. They are still invited to everything that we do.
My heart for young people is helping them see they are not alone. There are churches all around the town and know that there's so much more. There are people out there.
Young Life does a brilliant job of getting alongside young people where they're at and allowing them to discover what it means to follow after Jesus. And as they do that, they discover a fresh sense of purpose, a fresh sense of vision for their lives.
That everything that is done because of Jesus Christ, and that is out there and up front. And then, of course, it's fun because that's the structure that Young Life has.
If we can impact a generation of young people here in London, it will have a global impact.
Join us. Be a part of our prayer team.
Sponsor one of our amazing Young Life leaders or give today.
And be a part of reaching young people
And developing leaders here in London.